Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Monday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 19th of August 2024. US Dow Jones increased 0.24%, settling the day at 40,659.76, while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,631.72, raising 0.21%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 37,954.38 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,626. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,320, indicating a start in green for the Indian market. FII bought 766.52 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 2,606.18 crore in the last trading session. BPCL plans to spend 1.7 lakh rupees crore to expand its core business and create a new energy foray. FM Sitharaman to take stock of PSBS's deposit mobilization and cybersecurity levers on August 19. Now talking about global aspects, column funds go long yen for first time in 4 years. Dollar in holding pattern ahead of FOMC minutes. Asia shares, gold underpinned by rate cut hopes. WTI fell 1.9% to $76.65 a barrel and the Brent fell $1.36 or 1.7% a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 102.23. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.05%, up. Here is a recap of Friday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices traded in a positive trajectory, taking cues from recent US inflation and unemployment claim data, which do not signal an imminent recession. The rally in Indian markets mirrored a global markets uptrend following US economic data that eased fears of a potential recession in the world's largest economy. The Sensex advanced by more than 1,300 points, closing at 80,438.8, while the Nifty ended the session at 24,541.15, gaining 1.65% intraday. Outlook for the day. Nifty 50 has broken out of its rising channel with a strong closing on the daily charts. The index, now above 24,600, could potentially target 24,800. On the downside, 24,350 serves as strong support, with 24,200 as the next level if breached. A buy-on-dip strategy is advisable for capitalizing on this momentum. The Nifty Bank Index has rebounded from its lows at 49,642, forming a double bottom pattern on the daily charts. A breakout above 50,800 could push the index higher towards 51,300. Strong support is at 50,200. If breached, a decline to 49,700 is possible. The overall market sentiment remains bullish, favoring a buy-on-dip strategy. Stocks on radar: bullish view, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Grasim, Naukri, NTPC. Bearish view, Voltas, PNB, India Cements, SRF, SBI Life. Our chart of the day is bullish on REC Limited. Trade of the day: REC Limited, buy at 575 to 580. Stop 560. Targets 620. Aggressive targets at 605. Rationale: support reversal. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.